Good morning, primary school. It's Friday, June 8th, and it's Day E. I'm Danny.
And I'm Miss Shay, and here are your morning announcements. Students will be representing Studio 5 at the F1 Race STEAM Challenge at BIS today.
Sports assembly will be happening at 10 a.m. We need everyone to be seated so we can start promptly at 10 a.m.
Talent show rehearsals will be happening today. Dancers will be at 12:20 in the black box. Make sure you bring your device with your music on it. Also today, instruments will be practicing at 12:20 in room 328. Rehearsals next week will take place in the NPR. Monday, all performers, period 1 and 2. Wednesday, dress rehearsal, all performers, period 6 and 7.
Today is the last day of mini golf. The grade 3 students have set up some very difficult holes and creative holes. Sign up on MyISHCMC. Make sure you enter your score afterwards. Use the link gg.gg/ishmicgolf to enter your score to put your name on this leaderboard.
Take the pledge of no more single use. You can start by refusing plastic straws and using bamboo ones. Bring in your own reusable bottles and using cloth bags.
Makerspace is closed for the rest of the year.
Joke of the day. What do you call a boy with no money in his pocket?
What?
Nicholas.
Random fact of the day. A rat can survive a fall from a 5-story building.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, your attitude tells the world what you expect from life and whether you will achieve it or not. Anonymous.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a fantastic Friday. Woo-hoo!